I got my computer desk in the mail today, my L-shaped computer desk, and I'm happy with it. But one thing I'm very disappointed about is the presentation. Yo, companies, you got to put a picture on the box so people know what you're selling. If you don't do that, then it's going to be a mystery, and then you want to know why, hey, why the product's not moving. Presentation is the key. Just add a picture onto it to display the product, how it looks when you get through hooking it up. Now, I brought this L-shaped 66-inch L-shaped desk to replace my current setup. Yes, I'm going to show y'all my current setup. Alrighty, there we go. That's one of my 24-inch HD 60Hz TV monitors. Think of my editing rig. I got my printer up top, as you see. It's not looking good. No, it's not my best setup, but for 2.5 years, it did its thing. Yes. Got my RGB light, if I go to RGB mode at nighttime, just chilling, listening to my Spotify, the basic stuff. Or I decide to edit, do my thing. I got my Wi-Fi antennas up top, so you know how that is. Yeah, I'll be doing my thing. I'll be doing it good, doing it right. Yes. They got my other 24-inch monitor on the TV desktop base. So, yes, I got another one coming in for this one here. That'll be in Thursday. I'm going to have both of them sitting side by side, 48 inches going strong. Yes, they're 24 inches apiece, so I can't really complain about that. Yes. They got my editing rig right there. Looking nice, looking good. And they got my gaming rig. Yes. On top, you see is my camera because I'm using the stand for it right now to go ahead on and film this video, give you a good look at what's going on. Yes, I got my editing, got my gaming rig offset. There go the desk. And yeah. Since I've been doing since I became a creator, let me correct that. Since I became a creator, I've been doing a lot of videos, and I'm loving it, and I'm liking it. So what I want to do is I want to have both my monitors next to each other. So when I got to go ahead and slide my mouse over, I know which direction I'm sliding it in. I can go ahead on and shut it off and do my thing. Got my little camera up top. That's one of them. They got my other camera. If I'm doing my gameplay and everything, I go ahead and do that. They're live and strong. Yes, sir. So, enough said, I love it. It did its purpose. They got my speaker up top. Cable management looking good and clean, but it could be better. It did its purpose. Now it's time to go ahead and switch out to something better, something good. I'm giving this desk to my grandson, so when he starts doing his homeschooling, he'll be all right. I'm proud of that when he gets ready for that. So, this desk held out for a good 2 years for me. It's time to move on to something better, something permanent. And I'm liking it. Now, for my L-shaped desk, I will be putting it on the stands that came with it. The table stand. So, I could have went head on and, did a little floating desk thing. But that's something that's been around for many years now. And everybody copying each other's style. And I do not want to copy that style. It's okay, but it's just not to my liking. Keep it original, because I'm original. So, I can't wait to get on with this setup and show y'all everything, how it looks after that. Enough said. Let's get on and let's do this.